Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. Today is actually move-in day, and I wanted to welcome you all into my new home and give you all an empty home tour before the movers arrive, which is right now. As you can see, the moving truck is pulling up. But I just wanted to give a quick tour of the home before they move everything in. And by the way, that was my lovely husband you just saw. So we are now entering the front door of the home. So immediately to the right is going to be my formal dining room. This is one of the rooms that I'm going to have to completely decorate from scratch because I got rid of everything. And as you can see, it is a two-story foyer, open foyer here. Now in this area to the left is going to be my formal living room, and this will also be a room that I'm going to have to decorate from scratch. So let's mosey on through the home. I am now going to be entering an area which is the butler's pantry. It has a very nice area to put all of my wine, which if you know me well, I love my good wine. Now I'm moving into the family room, which is where we'll usually have a lot of our family time, where we like to watch movies and TV together. Now here is the kitchen. It does have a nice island in the middle. And my favorite part, I have to have a double oven. Most of you know that my husband is a chef. So yeah, he gets down quite often in this kitchen. I definitely plan to get some bar stools for this area for additional seating. We did not have a refrigerator when we first moved in, but of course we do now. And this is the pantry area, which I plan to overly organize. All right, so now let's mosey on through the house, and I'm gonna show you what's going to be our guest room. So here's the guest room. Not sure why this rack is here right now. This is the guest closet, and then the guest bathroom, all on the main level. All right, so now we're gonna take a stroll upstairs to the second level where all of the bedrooms and other rooms are. My apologies for not turning on the light, but this will be my daughter's bathroom. And this will be my daughter's bedroom. And this is my 18-year-old daughter I'm referring to. And I'm just now noticing that window thing hanging down. And this is her closet, which I love the fact that it has these shoe shelves in it already. And again, my apologies for not turning on the light. This may happen a few more times because my name was being called, so I was kind of rushing. All right, so here is the laundry room where I'll have my washer and dryer delivered. This is the hallway upstairs, and this is what I call a bonus room. This is a room with no door. I mean, it could be a media room, it could be whatever you want it to be really, and it's probably gonna be my office for work. And this is my son's bedroom, my 13-year-old son. Now his room is larger than my daughter's, but his closet is smaller. Yeah, I feel like my daughter got the best closet. My son also has a Jack and Jill bathroom, which he'll have to himself because this bathroom is connected to what's going to be my glam room or my recording room. And this is the room that I'm going to set up to record in. I really love how all of the rooms upstairs on the second level have high ceilings. And it does have a small closet as well. All right, so now we're gonna mosey on back down the hall to my master bedroom or owner's suite. So my bedroom is like my sanctuary. I tend to spend a lot of time in my bedroom, so I needed it to be as spacious as possible because I don't like to feel, overly crowded or congested or, I just need space. So I absolutely love that about this bedroom. And then there's this nice sitting area. And then here is the master bathroom along with the master closet. Now my husband and I were used to having completely separate sinks, but now we're gonna have to get used to sharing this one long sink. So this takes some getting used to. Now this is probably one of the things I like least about the house, and that's having the closet in the bathroom. Yeah, this definitely took some compromising, and I was just like, this is just one of them things I'm gonna have to deal with. So I've made it back downstairs, and now I'm going out the back door to go out on the back deck and look at the backyard. I feel like you can just see everybody's backyard. From my bedroom, I can see everything that's happening in everybody's backyard. I do eventually plan to put up a fence, but it's not high on my priority list right now. So these movers that we have are already starting to move a lot of our stuff in. They are moving quickly, very quickly. So it's still moving day. It's like wet and rainy and cold. Probably not the best day to move, but what can you do? At least it's not snowing. I'm standing out here all bundled up. I got my husband's jacket on. Just trying to stay warm and direct where all this furniture is going. We have so much stuff, and this is just a pinch of it, but we ended up having to use 2 moving trucks, to transport all of our items, and they've pretty much gotten everything in. So here is my lovely family after everything has been moved in, and we are starving, so we are taking a quick little break. This is my daughter and my son and my husband. They have all of our living room furniture in here. Of course, everything is not up. Yeah, there's a lot of work to be done at this point. So now I'm just gonna quickly go back through the house and let you see how everything is looking with boxes and furniture and everything else kind of all over the place. And pretty much how much work is left to be done. When I tell y'all, if I never have to move again in life, I would be A-okay. This room alone was so overwhelming with all of these boxes just stacked up in here like that. So towards the end of the movers moving everything in, I started telling them to just put it in the garage or put it in the basement because I did not want to have all or everything just crowded upstairs. So yeah, they piled all of the wardrobe boxes all through the closet where I couldn't even get through if I tried. So because I had to direct the flow of furniture moving in, I failed to show y'all the basement. So that is what I'm gonna do right now real quick. And this is an unfinished basement. There's only like one room pretty much finished, but I'm probably gonna change it anyway. So the whole basement is just gonna be completely restructured. And that's pretty much the basement. So because we didn't have a few items, we immediately went to Home Depot to get a washer and dryer and a refrigerator. Now, I don't know, there must be like a COVID delay. Like, I'm just thinking you can just go in the store, you see it, they got it in the back, you take it home. No, apparently you have to order it and wait like a week or two to have it delivered. Boo. So imagine going without a refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks, or a washer and dryer. But I won't complain. I am truly grateful and blessed to be moving into this home. So I truly thank you all for coming along with me on this empty house tour and move-in journey. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.